welcome to the quiz show. The topic for today is the immediate cause and the spread of the First War of Indian Independence. Before beginning the show, let us go through a brief summary on the same topic. Introduction of the new Enfield rifles was the immediate cause of the Sepoy Mutiny. A rumor was spread that the paper used to seal the cartridges was greased with the fat of the cows and pigs. The Sepoys refused to use the new rifle. When the British forced them to use the new cartridges and punished those who did not obey their order, the Sepoys revolted. At Barakpur, a Sepoy by name Mangal Pandey shot dead a British major named Hudson. Later, Mangal Pandey was arrested and hanged. Revolt at Meerut. At Meerut too, Sepoys who refused to use new Enfield rifles were imprisoned. Other Sepoys revolted, stormed the prisons, freed their colleagues and killed many Europeans indiscriminately. Later, the Sepoys marched to Delhi. They laid siege to the Red Fort and captured it. They declared the dethroned Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II as their emperor. Delhi was recaptured by the English with the help of the Sikh Sepoys. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of the Peshwa Bajirao II, captured Kanpur. He was assisted by Tantia Tope. The English army, led by General Havelock, recaptured Kanpur. Nana Sahib's commander Tantia Tope captured Kanpur once again. At the same time, the British laid siege to Jhansi. The revolt at Lucknow was now led by Hazrat Mahal, the Begum of Nawab Wajid Ali. After some time, the English recaptured Lucknow and the Begum fled to Nepal. The bravest among the mutineers, as described by a British officer, Rani Lakshmi Bai, led the revolt at Madhya Pradesh when Lord Dalhousie refused to acknowledge her adopted son as the heir to the throne of Jhansi. Lakshmi Bai was driven out of Jhansi. She captured Gwalior with the help of the valiant general Tantia Tope. When the British army attacked Gwalior, she fought heroically, tying her young adopted son to her back. She died on the battlefield fighting the British troops on 17th June 1858. Tantia Tope continued the fight for some time. The British arrested him and hanged him to death. His death marked the end of a heroic fight against the British rule. Now that you've heard this summary, shall we start the quiz? Make two groups. Let us name one group as Mangal Pandey and the other as Tantia Tope. Are you ready to start? Here is the first question for the Mangal Pandey team. The immediate cause of the Sepoy Mutiny was A. Introduction of Zamindari system, B. Dual government system, C. The rule of law, D. New Enfield rifles. Option D. New Enfield rifles. And that is the right answer. You scored 10 points. The next question to Tantia Tope team. Are you ready? The Sepoy who sacrificed his life at Barakpur was A. Mangal Pandey, B. Tantia Tope, C. Nana Sahib, D. Mangal Singh.
Option A. Mangal Pandey.
Very good. Right answer again. 10 points to you too. Now the next question back to Mangal Pandey team. This was a place where Sepoys attacked prisons to set free their friends and killed many Europeans publicly. A. Barakpur, B. Delhi, C. Meerut, D. Kanpur.
Option B. Delhi.
Did you say Delhi? Oh no, it's the wrong answer. The question passes to Tantia Tope team. Do you know the answer?
Option C, Meerut.
Yes, it's the right answer. You'll get 5 points for this. The next question to Tantia Tope team again. The mutineers declared him as their emperor. A. Nana Sahib. B. Nawab Wajid Ali. C. Lakshmi Bai's son. D. Bahadur Shah II.
Option D. Bahadur Shah II.
Bahadur Shah II. Tantia Tope team, again you've given the right answer. 10 points added to your score. Mangal Pandey team, are you ready for your turn now? The English army conquered Delhi with the help of A. Maratha sepoys, B. Sikh sepoys, C. Muslim sepoys, D. Hindu sepoys. Hurry up, you have just a few seconds left. Don't tell me you're going to pass on the question again. Fine. Team Tantia Tope, what's your answer?
Option B, Sikh sepoys.
Very good. 5 points to you. Tantia Tope team, this question is also for you. The British refused to pay pension to Nana Sahib because he was A. was the son of Peshwa Bajirao II, B. was the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II, C. did not accept subsidiary alliance, D. did not permit them to have free trade.
C. Did not accept subsidiary alliance.
C. did not accept subsidiary alliance is the wrong answer. Mangal Pandey team, here's your turn. Do you know the answer?
B. Was the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II.
Is the right answer. Add 5 points to your score. And the next question goes to Mangal Pandey team. The revolt at Lucknow was led by A. Lakshmi Bai, B. Nawab Wajid Ali, C. Begum Hazrat Mahal, D. Tantia Tope.
Option C. Begum Hazrat Mahal.
Good. 10 points to you. The 8th question goes to Tantia Tope's team. The British tried to annex Jhansi on the basis of A. Maladministration, B. the doctrine of lapse, C. the rule of law, D. non-adoption of subsidiary alliance.
Option B, the doctrine of lapse.
B. the doctrine of lapse. Very good. That's the right answer. You get 10 points. The next question for Mangal Pandey team. Are you ready? The bravest among the mutineer as described by a British officer was A. Lakshmi Bai, B. Begum Hazrat Mahal, C. Bahadur Shah II, D. Nana Sahib.
Option A. Lakshmi Bai.
That's the right answer. Very good. 10 more points added to your score. And the last question to Tantia Tope team. The revolt of 1857, A. was the last attempt by Indians to gain independence, B. inspired people to continue the struggle for freedom, C. was a united effort to throw the British out of India, D. involved only sepoys.
D. Involved only sepoys.
D. involved only sepoys is the wrong answer. Mangal Pandey team, if you give the right answer, you'll be the winner. Do you know what the answer is?
B. Inspired people to continue the struggle for freedom.
That's the right answer. Very good. 10 more points added to your score. So that's the end of the quiz today. Let us take a look at the score. Team Mangal Pandey has scored 40 points. Team Tantia Tope has also scored 40 points. Both the teams have scored equally. Congratulations.